In this video, we're going to show you how to replace your rear hatch lift supports. The process for the passenger side is the same as the driver's side. Now on your lift support on either end, there's going to be a little metal C-clip. I'm going to use a pick. You can go right in the back side of it right here. And what you want to do is pull that C-clip out. It locks on to like a ball and socket type unit. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect that. Pull that clip out. And then you can go ahead and pop this off. Now on our particular vehicle, this is stuck on here. I'm going to go ahead and tap this. On the bottom side, we have the other retaining clip. Put our pick in there, pull that out. And then we'll just kind of rotate that and pop it off that ball stud. Now on the replacement component here, there is a factory clip on here, and it just snaps on when you install the unit. So what you want to do is line that up and simply pull that on. It is locked in. Let's go ahead and do the same to the top. Go ahead and raise up that hatch a little bit, line that up, push it on. I want to go ahead and repeat for the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.